In this video, I'll show you how to save an Excel file as a PDF with all sheets included. First, open your Excel workbook. Make sure all the worksheets you want to include are in the workbook and saved correctly. Now click on the File tab in the top left corner. Next, select Save As. Choose the folder where you want to save the PDF. In the Save As Type drop-down menu, select PDF.pdf. Before saving, click on the Options button. Under Publish What, select Entire Workbook. This ensures that all worksheets in the Excel file will be included in the PDF. Click OK to confirm. Now enter a name for your PDF file. Finally, click Save. Excel will create a single PDF containing all the sheets from your workbook. Once the process is complete, open the PDF to verify that all worksheets have been included. That's it. This is how you can save an Excel file as a PDF with all sheets included. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.